What's going on, guys? And in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a rectangular loader which will contain 4 rectangles, as you can see here. So in my HTML file I have a title which has the name rectangular loader, or rect loader for short, and then in the body I have a div called main, and inside that I have 4 divs which has a class name of rect. It stands for rectangle. And that's it on our HTML side. Now I'm gonna go into CSS, and you can see I have some colors here which I will use on as we go on. So I need 3 colors in this project. So first of all we are gonna start with body, and then I'm gonna give it a margin of 0 for normalizing it, and then I am gonna give it a display flex, justify content center, and align items center for centering our main div. And then I am going to give it a height of 100 VH so that it will be vertically aligned. For making it vertically aligned I need to specify it a height, and then I am gonna give it a background color which is gonna be this blue. Just copy it and paste it. Now it should be working. Right. There you have it. It's a nice blue. And the next thing we have to do is to make those 4 rectangles. So for that I am going to use this rectangle dot rect, and then I am going to give it a height of 80 pixels, and then a width, not weight, I want width of 20 pixels, and then a background color, this one. Just copy it and paste it. Alright, now we have 4 rectangles, but they are all sticking together. I don't want it, and also I want them to be aligned horizontally. So for that I am going to use our main div dot main, and then I am going to give it a display flex, just display flex, and save it. And there you go, I have this 4 of them aligned vertically. Now I need to split them, and for that I am going to give it the margin left right of 8 pixels. That should be working. And then a border radius, not that one, just the radius. It's gonna be, say, 4 pixels, and then save it. And there you go, we have nice 4 rectangles. Let me just increase its height a little bit. 5, now 90. There you go, it's a bit more taller now. And now it's time for us to make our animation. So trust me, this is going to be super cool. Now for making our animation we need add keyframes, and then I'm gonna use at 0%. I want it to be I want to move I want it to be still like this, so transform translate 0 pixels, and we want the color to be the same, so background color, copy it and paste it, and at 50% copy and just paste it. And at 100% I want it to move to the top, so for that I'm gonna give it a I want it to translate on the y-axis, that is the vertical axis, and then here also I want y, and the background color should be changed, so I need this to be copy and paste. And now I have to specify this all. I haven't given any name to this animation, so let me just give louder. It's a simple name. You can come up with a more creative names. So here animation louder. So I want the animation duration to be 1 second, and I want it to go on forever, so infinite. Now you can see it's moving like this, but something isn't quite right, so let me just check it by this. Yeah, it's not moving smoothly to its original position, so that's where we need to change this 100% to 50%, and then the 0% and 100% to be this. So starting and the final and initial stage of this animation should be same, but at the middle I want it to move upwards. Yeah, now it's more like it, but there is a problem. I want the single one of them to move at different speeds, or in a more technical way, I want it to have animation delay. So if you think that you can make it by giving it each numbers like 2, 3, and then giving it an animation delay, you will be perfectly right, but that is not efficient. So I'm gonna show you a trick called the nth child. So let me just show you. We need to write .rect and then a colon and then nth child, and then give it a 1. So this is basically the first rectangle from this main div. So think of it as this main is a parent, and this parent has 3 children, so like a family. You can think of it like that. So there are 4 children or 4 divs here, so I need to give it a 4 nth child. Just copy it and paste it, paste it, paste it. So here I want it to have the second child and the third child and so on. So here I am going to give it an animation delay, so basically how much time it will take the other rectangle to process the animation. So the first one I don't want any delay, so 0 seconds itself, and then copy it, and I'm just gonna paste it, and it will have a 0.25 seconds, and it will increase with to 5 seconds. So the next one will be 0.5 seconds. That's right. And then the last one will be 0.75 seconds. And now let's look at it. There we go. It's having a waveform, so you can call it a wave loader, I guess. And yeah, actually that's a cool name. But anyway, I am gonna increase its translate to 20 pixels. Alright, so you can tangle around with the colors and the numbers here, no problem. And this is looking nice. I really like this loader and all the colors. And you can go with a green shade if you want, a gray shade, whatever you want, as long as the colors are complementing the others. It's all good. So these blues here all complement each other, so that's why it's looking this beautiful. Actually really like this loader. It's one of my personal favorite. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new on the way. And until the next video, goodbye.